Now pushing into the city of Owensboro. So you want to be in your tornado safe area there. As the storm will quickly move from west to east across the city. And this appears to have just gone up near the Rome area to the west of the city. And is now pushing into the city of Owensboro itself. So dangerous.
No, there's not enough
event here.
winds. If that was to get together.
Affected by what we feel is a tornado in this particular.
Holy shnikes!
The city of Owensboro from the west. We go back to our live.
Hold on, there's the hail.
Isn't quite as high.
There's hail on the side.
Or at least updates. You can see it leading into the.
I think that was it. I think you were right. Oh my gosh, look at that.
And again, we're on top of the Roosevelt House here on
That was huge.
To the northeast. Okay, so this will be looking now really through the heart of the storm, and eventually we'll be looking at the back edge of the storm here.
Near 25th Street in Owensboro.
The 25th Street in Owensboro is a report of a tornado. And of course, you're looking at a live view of the heart of Owensboro from our tower camera, and there is